Welcome to pay attention to our Winsock brand electronic components. High-performance single-N-channel FET model WSD2018DN22. This component is packaged in an advanced DFNWB 2x26LJ package. The batch number is 2020, and the inventory is sufficient, reaching a total of 4,842,727. It has a drain-to-source voltage of 20V and can withstand a drain current of 12A. The best drain source on resistance is only 15 ohms max. Designed with a gate source voltage of 10V and a gate charge of 32, reverse recovery time of 1.0, ensures fast switching. It has a maximum power dissipation of 15W and is an enhanced configuration. Stable operation over a wide temperature range of -50 degrees to 150 degrees. Suitable for circuit control of various household appliances. If you are interested in this product, welcome to contact us via private letter. We will provide detailed information.